Everybody is kind of being forced by the universe to see their, what's in their subconscious mind. So if you think about your body as being your subconscious mind, the way that your body communicates with you is through symptoms. So that might be pain, it might be through disease, it might also be through emotions, which also have sensations in the body. I'm picking up from the universe and from people around me that people are really struggling with symptoms and they just don't know how to go about understanding what's happening. So if you are awake and aware enough to kind of get the idea that your body is attempting to communicate with you through a symptom and that your symptoms are actually your body's voice, then this is for you. So if we can get the message that our body is trying to communicate to us, then the symptom doesn't need to remain, because that was its purpose and its function. And it might sound a bit crackers, but that's actually the way of the world, and you're not going to hear that from your doctor. So if you become aware of what your body's voice is saying, you can speed up that purge, because you are then surfacing subconscious information that was wanting to be made conscious. So if you're consciously engaging with this subconscious process, as soon as you get that message and you start to process that, your symptoms will start to leave. And sometimes that can be instant, and sometimes it can be a process that you're in for over a period of time, as that new awareness kind of opens up, and then you realize how that specifically applies to you and where it's come from.